What's happening, everyone? Last weekend, we finally got our dinghy, which we're totally stoked about. The 2013 AB Inflatables Navigo 8VS. We got this thanks to a very generous sailor. We couldn't be more happy. We still don't have a motor yet, so we are on a mission today to go find an outboard. I think we're going to go back over to Sailorman and see if they got anything new in this week. Maybe we can make a deal. Let's go.
I'm Apple.
And I'm Rob. Join us as we seek out new adventures and escape the 9-to-5 grind.
We travel by land, sea, and air, searching for fun adventures, best-kept secrets, culinary delights, and tasty craft beers.
New episodes weekly.
Thanks for remembering to subscribe.
What do you think? I mean, I think we definitely need a 10 horsepower, you know, hands down. Just checking out the boat, you know, the dinghy, it calls for, the recommended is an 8, but if you really need the extra power, like if where we're at, you know, there's a lot of tidal currents and everything, so we really need a 10 just to be able to get up on plane and get where we want to go. Let's go see if they got anything new in this week and go and look and see if there's any other goodies we need. All right, what do we got this week? I got this new little Suzuki. I think it's too small though.
Yeah, 2.5.
Yeah. Man, look at this thing, huh?
30 horsepower though.
Yeah. That will sink our dinghy.
That's a little too big. We need to find our Goldilocks.
Yeah.
Is that the same one that was
This
here last
is the one
week?
that was here last week, yeah. It looks clean.
That engine's I made my first train.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That particular one or the brand?
No, this one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I ran them both and I've started them both, and these two are perfect.
It's a feathering prop. When you turn off your motor and you start sailing, the prop folds back automatically.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
There's a furler and a head sail over here. It's on the ground.
Oh yeah? Definitely not something for our boat.
No.
Aw.
Oh, it's the mast with the roller furler and everything. Mast, boom.
You never know what little treasures you're gonna find here.
Yeah.
Yes!
That is awesome.
Look at that. $15.
What is it?
It's a freaking floating thing with a cooler.
That's cool.
We're getting it. Like, no ifs, ands, or buts. There's no reason we shouldn't.
Sounds good to me. Maybe put some ice in there. I don't know. Just
It's a good condition. It's not even dirty. I hate when we come here for one thing and come home with more stuff. It's like Target.
yeah, that's fine. What do you think of my new Sailorman hat?
Looks good on you.
I'm here for the party. We were able to cut a deal on the outboard. It came with 2 tanks, and we're excited. What do you think?
I think we should go out in the water because it's like 80 something degrees right now.
Yeah. We gotta go test it out, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, a new engine coming out.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Couldn't have been a more glorious day too.
Oh, it's a beautiful day out. Can we go out tonight?
Probably.
Yeah, awesome.
We need to go test it out.
Yeah,
it's only 11, you know, so why not?
All right. I think we need to go try her out. What do you think?
Oh yeah, let's go.
All right.
It's there.
One other thing I want to do first here. Let's just take a peek at the oil. Oh yeah, look at that nice clean oil.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So we stopped at the gas station on the way back, and we got a full tank of Rec 90 non-ethanol gas. Good thing to have. It won't gum up your carburetor. And when you're done for the day, it's good to run all the gas out of the motor. Just pull the fuel line and just let it idle until it dies. Got it in run position. Pull the choke. I'm going to set this to start. And you're supposed to prime that a couple of times. Primer ball's primed.
Oh, wow, that's quiet.
Yeah, there's pee and water.
Yeah, right here.
There we go.
That is quiet.
Yeah. Got some Mercury for you.
That sounds so much nicer than ours. Than the one on the Luna.
Yeah. The little Tahatsu.
Yeah. Well, how old's the Tatsu?
The 2008.
And this is?
2012.
So it's been a lot of years in R&D to make it quieter.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Alright. It is cozy. It's a little cramped, but it's cozy. This is fun to tool around on.
We're in the C10 canal, Hollywood.
That's a yard to have right here. See that?
Yeah.
You got a little tree house with a slide.
Oh yeah. We're gonna just test it and see if this thing will get on plane with just me. Good.
Good? Alright. So beautiful. It's in our own backyard, practically. It's beer o'clock. This is a nice way to spend a Saturday. What are you looking at?
The hydrofoil for the outboard. I think that would be a huge help.
What is that?
It's like a little wing that goes on the outboard motor. It mounts to it. It's supposed to basically lift the back of the boat up and out of the water to help you get on plane faster. Considering this was trimmed all the way down, and as soon as I hit the gas, the front of the boat just went sky high. Yeah.
That's a nice place to live.
Oh yeah. You know, we're coming up on nautical ventures now.
Is that a submarine?
No. You know, the emergency life vessel for like a ship. Maybe they sell them. You guys doing demos today? Yeah.
You want to go demo something?
Look at that. He's on a Hobie Cat. We just happened to make our way over here to Nautical Ventures, and we're gonna see if we can't just play around with one of these kayaks here. You're a big baller, you know. My 800 like floating dock, you know. It's almost like a big stand-up paddleboard, you know.
Nice.
Look at this. They got a Hobie. What is this? A Vineyard?
Oh, that one's even cooler. So this isn't. Oh, you don't sit in it like this one.
No.
That's still kind of neat. It seems like chill.
This is what they rent for $80 an hour at Key Biscayne.
Oh wow.
If you guys want to grab a burger, I think she has one burger and a dog left.
All right.
We'll take it.
Come aboard. Are you ready? Which way you want to go first?
I don't know.
You want to go straight?
Too much work?
Does it have an engine on it?
No, but I don't want it. I mean, I feel like I'm getting a really good leg workout.
It doesn't take much to make this thing go.
No, it really doesn't.
What do you think?
I don't know. All right, let's go really fast. Oh my god, my legs are cramping. My legs are cramping. Come on, let's go really fast. Okay. Oh, look at that thing. That's too much of a workout.
I prefer an outboard motor. Keep going. Keep going.
Why are you stopping?
Why not?
I feel like my seat needs to back up more.
What is that
What?
thing?
Where? Is it a fish? I heard the splashing. Hey! So where to next?
I don't know. Since we can't get on the plane, I don't think there's any way we should run all the way to Whiskey Creek. What do you think?
No, why not?
It's already 3 o'clock
We have to be back when?
before sundown because that park closes its gates.
Yeah, but we also don't have any lights. Any nav lights.
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow. Another beer?
Absolutely.
All right.
Cheers.
I'm driving the boat. I'm captaining. I'm getting it. This is a nice motor. I'm so glad. Sailorman really helped us out. This outboard was on consignment and they really helped us out getting a really good price for it. We got such a great deal on the dinghy. I'm so glad we were patient enough to wait for this perfect dinghy to come along. Then Sailorman hooked it up with a good price on the outboard. So what are we doing next weekend?
I think we're prepping for Sebring.
That'll be interesting.
Oh yeah.
12 hours of Sebring and 1,000 miles. So it's going to be 4 days of camping on a racetrack.
Yeah. With a bunch of crazies.
With a bunch of crazies.
Animals.
I mean, if we're going, aren't we part of the crazies?
Yeah.
A little, right? At
Yeah.
least. Thankfully, we've got camping gear and we've got like boat stuff. It's all the same, really.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We've got the porta potty, so I don't have to share in the communal toilets. So we're gonna plan for that. We're gonna do a mock-up in our backyard, which I think will be kind of fun.
Yeah.
Is that a sauna?
Yeah. Definitely is.
Well, we hope you had fun on our little adventure today. We definitely can't wait to put Luna back in the water. And now we've got this to help us when we keep her anchored. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button because it really helps our channel, and the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a new adventure. We want to say thank you to Sailorman for helping negotiate a great deal on this outboard. We'll see you in our next adventure.
Bye.
Cheers.